I'm Jerry from Carolina Air Conditioning.
Please tell me you have some cold air.
We got you covered.
What? Whew. That's cold.
Carolina Air Conditioning. We've been blowing our customers off their feet since 1947.
Oh, you want to fly your kites?